Recharging your AC with Mr. Freeze is an easy 5-step process. Step 1 is getting prepared. First, put on gloves and safety goggles to keep yourself safe throughout the process. Then remove the red battery tab and red adapter from the AccuFeel trigger. Press the tab on the front of the thermostat and remove the sensor from under the cap. Step 2 is to turn on the recharging system. First, remove the red tab from the temperature sensor and press the button on the front to turn it on. Attach the sensor to the centermost vent in your car. Attach the trigger to the can and turn clockwise until secure. Be careful not to over-tighten. Activate the system and allow up to 45 seconds for devices to pair. Step 3 is to prep your car and attach the system. First, open up your hood and locate the low-pressure service port. Remove the dust cap and attach the quick coupler to the port. Turn the handbrake and engine on and your AC and fan to max and roll down your windows. Step 4. Recharge your AC system. Pull the trigger in 10-second intervals to refill your system. Be sure to shake the can every 3 to 5 seconds. Next, wait a few seconds for your system to cool and check the temperature gauge. Using the chart on screen, compare the outside temperature with the temperature blowing from your vents to determine if your AC is blowing at optimal temperature. If necessary, repeat filling up to 3 times or until your AC is blowing like new. Step 5. Detach your system and store it away. Remove the quick coupler from your low pressure port and replace the dust cap. Power off the system and store the sensor back in the applicator cap. Store your can at home away from heat and direct sunlight.